Introduce highlight features or overview summary of SWMRDN car vacuum portable cordless. There are features include 20,000 PA powerful suction and air duster. This handheld vacuum cordless is equipped with an upgraded 130-watt brushless motor that spins at up to 120,000 RPM, delivering 20,000 PA of powerful suction power to easily remove stubborn dust, pet hair, and debris from car seats and sofas. It features triple functions: vacuuming, blowing, and aeration. Equipped with an LED light, it allows for comprehensive cleaning, whether in car crevices or around the house. Long-lasting battery life and fast charging. The hand vacuum cordless rechargeable features a built-in 7,800 mAh large capacity battery that supports USB-C fast charging, fully charging in just 2 to 3 hours. In energy-saving mode, it lasts up to 30 minutes, perfect for extended cleaning needs. It's compatible with various charging methods, including car chargers, power banks, and laptops, etc., and can also use 5V/2.4 amp adapters, allowing for convenient on-the-go recharging. Professional accessories cleaning. The mini vacuum cleaner comes with a variety of practical accessories, including a floor brush, flat brush, hair brush, extension tube, and inflatable nozzle. The floor brush removes debris, the flat brush vacuums deep into crevices, and the hair brush cleans pet hair on sofas. The extension hose reaches high corners and under beds, and 3 sizes of air nozzles quickly inflate swim rings and balloons, making this a versatile device for diverse needs. Portable and easy to maintain. The portable vacuum for car is compact, weighing only 1.2 pounds and measuring 14.1 x 4.8 x 3.2 inches, easily fitting into a storage bag or box. The large 360 ml dust cup ensures both portability and practicality. The one-touch detachable design allows for easy emptying, and it comes with 2 washable HEPA filters that effectively filter dust and dirt, preventing clogging and making cleaning easy and maintenance hassle-free. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.